To help people during this corona crisis, Orthopedic Research Group at Rowan University has designed and produced a facial mask with 3D printer and using some conventional materials that can be found almost anywhere. Transparent sheet of plastic and three elastic bands. It has a frame which is 3D printed and it is flexible that can be adjusted almost perfectly on the face to prevent air leak beneath this frame and between this frame and the face. And as you see, it can be printed with almost any 3D printer. It doesn't need any special 3D printers and can be printed within 1 or 2 hours based on the resolution. The second part of this 3D printer printed part is a filter box which is printed attached to the frame. This filter box has two parts, a cap and a box. We put the cotton tissue or cotton paper in the cap and put it in the box. These two parts can fit perfectly to prevent any air leak between them and to allow the air flow only through the filter. The next thing we need is a transparent sheet of plastic, which is 11 in 30 inches in diameter, and with a 1-inch radius hole in it to be used as the path to the filter. We put this hole on the filter box and fix it with an elastic rubber band. Then we push the plastic shield through the frame and fix this plastic sheet to the frame, roll it over the frame and fix it to some pins that are over the frame. And then we fix the elastic bands used to fix the mask to the face on the frame, and then our face mask is ready to use. As you see, this face mask can be used easily and it fits almost perfectly on my face, and I can breathe with it completely comfortably. But the point is, beside this comfortable feeling, it is clear and you can see my facial expression and my lip motions. When I breathe, the breathing only goes through this filter, and to check it, we can hold the flame in front of it and we see the breathing goes through it but doesn't extinguish the filter, so it is working perfectly. And you see the other side of my face that shows the mask on my face. After use, we can remove the face mask and remove the cap, filter cap, and the cotton inside it and throw it away. And we can also throw away the plastic sheet and wash and sterilize the frame for next use. So as you see, this facial mask can be easily assembled after 3D printing, is washable and can be sterilized, can be used multiple times. Since it is clear and transparent, it shows lip motion, which is, I think, very suitable for deaf people who need lip reading, and it also can show the facial expression of the people using it.